Hello all, welcome to the weekly market outlook. This is Omkar Patil, the technical research associate from GEPL Capital. In this video, we'll have a look at the benchmark indices, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. And post that, we'll also have a look at few stocks who have done pretty well as compared to the markets and still persist the momentum to drag the stock much more higher from the current levels for next few trading sessions. So the chart which you are watching over here is the weekly chart of Nifty. So in the latest trading week, the Nifty ended at a mark of 19,731.80, while hardly gaining of 1.06%. If we'll have a look at the overall price action, what the Nifty has done on the weekly charts, post creating the high around 20,222, we got to see some pressure coming into the prices of Nifty, and it also made a crucial low around the level of 18,837, where we can also witness some change in polarity at the same levels. So over here, the index seems to hold a very crucial support at this mark, which is around the mark of 18,837, the latest swing low. And post that, the following week, the index made a inside weak candlestick pattern, and we have also got the confirmation by the very next week closing above the high of the inside weak candle. So over here, the chart seems to be improving from post the selling pressure which we witnessed from the record highs. The bias has now turned towards the positive side. Also on the weekly charts, if we'll have a look, for the past 2 weeks, the index had managed to form the formation of higher highs, higher lows, and higher close. So over here, the bias again seems to be quite positive. Also, the prices have sustained well above the short-term averages of 12 and 26 weeks exponential moving average, which indicates us that the trend, the prior uptrend, which the index had witnessed from the lower levels around 16,800 mark, that trend seems to be in a continuation from the current levels. Coming to the daily time frame. So around the daily charts, we can see that around the same mark of 19,850, which in the previous outlook we had mentioned one of a very crucial resistance. Prices for the week have maintained those levels, and also around the same level of 19,850, the index witnessed some pressure in the intraday trading sessions. So over here, the crucial mark for Nifty immediately is the mark of 19,850. So the view over here, as mentioned earlier, the bias has turned positive, and if we are able to surpass the mark of 19,850, we can get to see a up move, continuation of the uptrend which we have seen from the lower levels of 18,837. That up move can be continued if the mark of 19,850 is surpassed. So post that, we can expect the index eventually to again touch its record high around the level of 20,222, followed by 20,600 mark. While just reiterating the support levels. So now the support level, crucial support level for us becomes the mark of 19,276. Even over here, there are multiple cluster of supports which have happened. So on the weekly chart, the 26 average, as well as a good opening gap up we got to see around the same level on the day of 6 November. So there is a cluster of supports around the same mark of 19,276. So it becomes pretty much clear the bias is positive, and a breach above 19,850 can eventually drag the prices higher than the mark of 20,222, followed by 20,600 on the higher side. Coming to the charts of Bank Nifty. So if we'll have a look at the performance comparison between the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, it is pretty much clear that the Bank Nifty is a underperformer as compared to the benchmark Nifty. There is some underperformance still existing into the charts of Bank Nifty. But if we'll have a look at the weekly chart, even the Bank Nifty index has managed to maintain its higher highs, higher lows formation on the weekly chart. So over here, the bias even here seems to be positive. Coming to the daily charts, we can see around the same level of 44,710. There is a crucial resistance which is yet to be breached on the higher side. So that is a crucial level for us to watch out on the higher side as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned. So any move on the downside where the Bank Nifty can take a support is immediately around the mark of 42,100, which is also the swing low in the latest fall which have been created. While the trend to continue on the higher side, the 44,710 is the mark that must be taken out on the higher side. If that is able to surpass, we can expect the prices of Bank Nifty eventually move higher to the mark of its record high, which is situated around the mark of 46,369. So in a nutshell, both Nifty and Bank Nifty seems to be improving from the pressure which it has witnessed from the lower levels, and the immediate resistance which we have mentioned. If that is surpassed, we can expect the up move into both Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Coming to the few stock specific movements where a good momentum play has also been situated, and there is a outperformance. So coming to the first stock, it is NH. So this is the weekly chart of NH. The stock is in a clear uptrend, in a stellar uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. In fact, if we'll have a look at the week phases of this stock, the stock has performed pretty well. By just looking at the consolidation which it took, we can see there is no formation of lower lows and lower highs from between the period of 4th April 2022 to the 15th May 2023. Almost it has been a year you can consider. Uh, the stock did not get into the formation of lower lows and lower lows, where the consolidation took place in a healthy form. Also, the latest consolidation between the period of June 2023 to October 2023, this was a shallow correction, and we have in the latest week have got to see a good breakout of this consolidation too. So it is a good momentum play that the stock is already in a stellar uptrend, and with this momentum, we can expect the stock to further move higher in the mark of 1,450. While on the downside, the stop loss would be placed around the mark of 1,150. The next stock is Tata Motors. So coming to the charts of Tata Motors, if we'll have a look at the bigger picture as far as the Tata Motors is considered, the stock is currently quoting at a multi-year levels. It is currently quoting at the highest level since November 2014. So the stock already is in a good momentum. Post the consolidation which it has seen in the period of June 2023 to October 2023, the correction seems to be healthy. And as far as the momentum indicators are signing us a positive breakout over here. Also, the stock can move higher till the mark of 775 over here. And also on the downside, the mark of 650 will act as a stop loss. So that's it from my side. I hope you like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to GPL's YouTube channel. Thank you.